Yo, what's up everyone? DJ ZEUS back with another video, and today a company by the name of Benuo, however you pronounce it, reached out to me and asked me to review their products. I've done a review of their products in the past, but they have a new tempered glass screen protector and a leather folio case for the brand new iPhone X.
DJ ZEUS.
So first we'll take a look at the tempered glass screen protector. I did notice, however, on the front it does say iPhone 8. Originally, before iPhone made the announcement of the iPhone 8 and iPhone X, a lot of companies thought that the iPhone X was going to be the iPhone 8 and so on and so forth, so that's how they labeled it, but it is for the iPhone X, so don't worry about that. Inside you get the tempered glass screen protector. You have it in a foam little pouch and a plastic pouch, and it does have a black lining on the outside, and that's basically because the bezels of the phone itself are black around the edges, and without this black piece on the edges you would basically have an air bubble around the whole thing because it is curved on the edges of the screen. So that is cool, and we'll see how that looks right now. You have dust absorbing tape, a nice little thank you card, alcohol prep pad, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. So let's go ahead and do this. Special shout out to Eric, aka DJ Spin, for letting me use his iPhone X for this review. For those of you that know, I went back to the dark side and got a Samsung Note 8. And I was going to get the iPhone X, but I didn't want to wait, and plus I did want the Note 7 last year before it was recalled, and I've always been like a Note fanboy, I guess. Now that I got that wiped down, let's go ahead and use this here to freaking wipe this shit down. And it's always a good practice to make sure you wash your hands before doing this because you don't want fingerprints on your phone. So, kill the first tab, comes right off. We'll slap it on top, press down, let the air bubbles work themselves out. Now with most screen protectors, it does take a couple of hours, if not a day, to actually cure and adhere to the rest of the phone. Some of them just go on like, you know, like nothing and no air bubbles, whatever, but unfortunately this one looks like there is a couple of air bubbles on the inside, and I would assume that those would go away by this evening. But overall, it's a pretty cool screen protector. It does have like a rubber fill around the edges. Okay, so now that we got the tempered glass screen protector on, we will go ahead and check out their leather folio case. Here in the package, you get a nice little box, a little bit about them, how they make their stuff, a couple of pictures, hand cut, whatever, yada yada. Inside, you got this felt material on the inside. It looks kind of girly to me. It's got that shiny black crackled leather look to it, but let's go ahead and put it in case and see how that fits. And it holds it in there, so that's cool. I guess you get double protection. So you got the tempered glass screen protector, you have the cover on the outside, so you don't have to worry about dropping your phone or, you know, shattering your screen, scratching your screen. You got two little slots in here for a credit card and your ID. So ladies, you know, if you're going to the club or whatever, leave your purses, your shoulder bags, whatever at home. Take one of these. If you guys found this video helpful or useful in any way, as always, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to click that subscribe button. And also, if you're interested in picking up one of these items, like I said, the brand is Benuo, however you pronounce it. Items will be in the description below, so go ahead and check those out. Links for those on Amazon.